Hello everyone, this is Professors of Derivatives FX and welcome to my YouTube channel. The channel will teach you everything about the financial market. Be it the practical aspect, what will teach you how to actually trade in the financial market. Be it the theoretical aspect, what will teach you about the basics of the financial market, the overview of Forex and everything you need to know about the financial market. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, have you heard about the 90% rule of trading, which says 90% of every new beginner will lose 90% of their capital within 90 trading days? Now, why is that true? For me, I will tell you that they go through that phase of trading because they have not actually developed the trader's mindset. Now, what is the trading mindset? That's what we're going to be talking and discussing on this video. Stay with us and you will gain the knowledge. Before I continue on this video, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit so you get notified whenever I drop new clips and videos like this, and also share the video to educate other people out there. Now, what is the trader's mindset? A trader's mindset is a mindset that you bring in when you are approaching the market, a mindset that you have, the mindset that you have approaching the financial market. Now, what are these mindset all about? The first mindset you need to adopt as a trader is to accept losses. You need to understand that losses in trading are inevitable. You cannot avoid losses. Now, you accepting losses as a part of your forex trading journey makes you thrive in the forex market. So I urge you, as a newbie coming into the forex market, first thing first, that you trade with money that you are willing to lose, so that when you eventually lose that money, you will not go through any emotional trauma or emotional damage. So accept losses and you will thrive in the financial market. The second mindset I'm about is you have to be patient as a trader. Patient in trading is actually different from you being patient in life, but they work hand in hand. You being patient in trading is you are being able to wait for a proper setup to form, not you coming into the market with a mentality of I want to make money quick. That will kill you as a trader. So I urge you, as a trader, you are coming into the market for the first time, build your patience. Try and just wait that extra 1 hour that you want to take that trade. Just wait and be patient, and I promise you're going to see the changes in your trading. The third, but not the final mindset I urge you to adopt in trading is thinking in probabilities. This will bring us to understanding that no trade is actually certain. That is why having an edge in the market puts you one step closer to whatever you want to achieve in the market. So an edge in the market is a set of variables, technical tools, variables that you put together that tells you there's a probability of one thing happening over the other. For instance, an edge your edge that you have in the market makes you understand, okay, at this point I am having this mindset that okay, the market is going to continue going up, or the market is going to reverse from this point. That is what an edge helps you do in the market. So thinking in probabilities is for you to understand that the market, no trade is actually certain. Your best setup can actually end up in a loss. So you have to adopt that mindset that okay, even if I have the best of best setup, what do I need to do after that? Minimize the risk, so that even if the trade goes against me, I know you know that you are safe as a trader. So have it in mind that there is no trade that is 100% in the financial market. That's the one particular mindset that is going to help you thrive in the financial market. The final mindset is controlling of your emotion, which are fear, greed, and FOMO. FOMO is fear of missing out. So you are coming into the market. You need to adopt this mindset that okay, the market is never ending. So if I miss an opportunity right now, that doesn't mean I'm not going to get another opportunity. So instead of you chasing trade, wait for a setup to form again. And if you miss the setup that formed, wait, because definitely another setup will form. So I hope with these few points you'll be able to understand what a trader mindset is, and you don't go about making mistakes coming into the forex market for the first time. This will bring us to the end of this video. One major advice I'll give to you as a trader is that master your mindset, trade smarter, and you will see your results improve. For more videos like this, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us for more tips and more educative videos like this. Thank you.